Guys, well done. Okay, in this short video I want to show you how you can actually create a temporary email for your business. Okay, for your business, or maybe you just want to create it to put into somewhere to activate an account or a software or something. All right, you need to do this. So what you do is this: you're going to use your Chrome. All right, you're going to use your Chrome browser. Right, what you do is just open it, come to a browser and type temporary email. Okay, and then this will pop up. So take note of this very first one. You see temp email, right? Take note of that. Just click on it, open it. Then this will go to roll for you. All right, this will roll, asking for verifying and all of that. So let it verify. Okay, make sure internet is strong. So when that happens, just click on verify you as human, just this box. All right, just click on it. Okay, click on it, then it's going to verify for you. All right, now when that is done, and this will load. You can see this in loading, right? When it's done loading, you're going to see an email address already given to you, automatically given to you. Okay, so what you do is you can copy the email address here, all right, and use it. Now whenever you use it, okay, you're going to come down here, you're going to have an inbox here. Okay, before the inbox, let's take a look at this. You can even copy from here. You can copy from here, you can refresh. All right, you can change the email. I don't want to change this email right now because I use it somewhere. You can delete it. When you delete it, okay, you're going to have another one, all right, coming to you. Then down under here, you're going to see inbox. All right, if there's anything sent to you, it's going to be showing you somewhere here. All right, this is space I'm going to carry the inbox, all right, and all of that. So this is how you use your email. So just copy it, use it. You can use any password. All right, use any password you can remember. Make sure you write it down somewhere so they can remember the password, and then you can use it as a temporary email. Now of course they have the pro version as well, but you don't really need that. Okay, for educational purpose you can be using this for free almost all the time. Okay, so guys, I see you in the next video. God bless you. This is Dr. Tamke. I'm out for now.